The ducks. Hello, Geese. Welcome to this documentary about ducks. Did you know that ducks are aquatic birds and that there are more than 120 different species worldwide? Let's explore a little more about these incredible animals. Ducks are very adaptable birds and can be found in various types of aquatic habitats, such as ponds, lakes, rivers, and even oceans. They have webbed feet that allow them to swim easily and a layer of feathers that keeps them dry in the water. What do ducks eat? They are omnivorous animals, which means they eat both plants and animals. They feed on algae, aquatic plants, seeds, insects, and small fish. Have you ever seen a duck flying? Although they are aquatic animals, ducks can also fly very well. They have strong wings and can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. They use this ability to migrate from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Ducks build their nests near the water to ensure that the ducklings have easy access to food. The females lay about 10 eggs and incubate them for about a month until the ducklings hatch. They are very cute and fluffy and start swimming shortly after birth. Ducks are social animals and interact with each other in various ways. They make different sounds to communicate and use body language to show emotions. Sometimes, they even play pranks on each other. Ducks, geese, swans, and teals are all aquatic birds that belong to the inhabit family, but there are distinct differences between them. Ducks are the most common aquatic birds and have a wide range of species. They have a compact and round appearance, with a broad and flat bill, short legs, and a rounded tail. They have a wide range of plumage, including bright colors and complex patterns. Ducks are known for their social behavior and the ability to dive to find food. Geese are large aquatic birds with majestic plumage. They have a long neck and a curved, strong beak. Geese generally have a more elegant and noble appearance compared to ducks. They are migratory birds that are often seen flying in a V formation. Geese are often raised for meat and feathers. Swans are large aquatic birds and are recognized for their long, graceful necks. They have a straight, strong beak and predominantly white plumage. Swans are often associated with beauty and elegance and are one of the most popular birds in lakes and urban parks. However, they are also migratory birds and travel long distances during breeding and wintering seasons. Ducks are smaller aquatic birds compared to geese and swans. They have a compact, round appearance with a narrow beak and short legs. They have varied plumage, including bright colors and complex patterns. Ducks are known for their ability to fly quickly and for long distances. Overall, the main differences between ducks, geese, swans, and ducks are size, body shape, plumage appearance, and migratory behavior. Each of these birds has unique characteristics that make them fascinating and popular worldwide. Unfortunately, ducks are facing many challenges. Global warming, pollution, and destruction of natural habitats are affecting their population worldwide. It is important to protect these animals to ensure they continue to thrive in our ecosystems. But there is hope. People around the world are working to protect ducks and their habitats. From creating wildlife sanctuaries to monitoring wild populations, people are doing their part to ensure a better future for these incredible animals. And so, children, we have learned a lot about ducks. They are amazing animals and important to our ecosystem. Remember to always respect and protect these animals when you encounter them in their natural environment. The ducks like affection, fresh water, and a lot of respect. After all,
every animal loves.
If you enjoyed our video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. You are always welcome.